Hello, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're having a great day, because today we're going to jump into a fascinating field in mathematics, and that is the discriminant. What is a discriminant, you may ask? And for that, I have an answer. A discriminant simply states how many solutions there are to that. Or, by solutions, I could mean zeros, or x-intercepts, or roots. Let's get started, shall we? We want to put this equation in its simplest form, or standard form as other people like to call it. Sorry. So to put it as simple as possible, I'm going to put this to the other side by subtracting 2x to both sides, like so. So this will equal 0. This will be 0 is equal to 2x squared minus 2x plus 3. Alright, now let's identify our values. But before that, let me show you the equation for the discriminant, and it might trigger a memory. B squared minus 4ac. Wait a minute, you might ask. Isn't this part of the quadratic formula that we mentioned earlier? Yes, in fact, it is. And that's what makes mathematics so great. Disciplines throughout mathematics all add up together and form the life around us, both physically, chemically, and things we can't see. So, why don't we just get started and identify the values and plug them into this equation. 2 is our A value, negative 2 is our B value, and 3 is our C value. Let's plug those in a different color, shall we? So, using this formula, we could use negative 2, different color, negative 2 squared minus 4 times, what's A here? That's right, positive 2 or 2. And our C here will be 3. Running out of space here, but why don't we simplify this down? A positive times a positive, as in squared, will always equal, or sorry about that, I meant a negative times a negative will always equal a positive, so this will be a positive 4, right? And 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. And our answer is negative 20. What does this mean? Let me give you a foundation. So, if the discriminant, D in this case, is greater than 0, or it's positive, then you always have two solutions. If it's equal to 0, if this was, as in this case, it had to be 0 this year, then it'll only have one solution. Well, what if it's negative? If it's negative, then, well, sadly, it'll have no solutions. It'll still be a parabola, but it just doesn't cross x-intercepts. Now that you know a bit about this, I'll see you in the next video, and think about this idea of discriminants and how it applies into your own lives. See you.